Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can access your hidden folder and your hidden photos on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, you can access it very easily if you've already set it up. If you need to know how to set it up, you can easily check out my video that I've already made on the subject. However, if you already have set everything up, then you'll have a very easy time finding it. To actually find it, it is the same as you would locate it while setting everything up. You just need to go into your library, go into utilities, and go into your locked folder, and then you'll be able to access it from there. However, this is only available on Android 6 and later, and on iOS 15 and later if you're using a mobile device. On computer, it is generally available on the internet, and the way that you can use it and how you can enter it is you'll need to enter a password or a passcode depending on the platform. For example, on mobile phones, you can use the code that you use to open up your lock screen, which can be either your Face ID or Touch ID or any other biometric passcode, or it can be just a passcode with a number or a letter code. And on PC, it is just your Gmail or your Google account password, which you just need to enter, and then you'll be able to enter your locked folder. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.